wants to wander. See my gypsy girl, do something to myself. She wants to wander. Keep me money on my place, she looking at my eye order. She wants to wander. Keep me moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
She on me heaven.
Yeah.
That's what me say.
She wants to wonder, want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, you guys, I'm starting off with this hair from Ali Pearl Hair. They sent me 3 bundles of their deep wave and 16 inches, and they also sent me a closure. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start mixing up my bleach. You guys know the process. I've got another video about this, you know, when I'm bleaching my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying. But guys, before I start, let's appreciate how cute these curls are. They are so beautiful. I just love the way the hair felt in its natural state. It was so nice and silky and beautiful, gorgeous hair. This is quality hair, you guys. Okay, so back to the video. All right, so I am actually just leisurely applying the bleach all over the bundles and, you know, turning it around, making sure that all the hair is saturated and brushing it as I go. And I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up in a foil paper and leave it to process. And this is just like what I did to all the other 2 bundles. Right now I'm gonna show you how I bleached the closure. So one mistake that I did, you guys, yes, right there, don't do that, guys. Don't bleach the lace and the hair together, otherwise your lace is gonna get fried. This is exactly what happened to me. Big mistake. But yeah, make sure you bleach the hair first, wash it, dry it, and then go ahead and bleach the lace. Don't bleach it all at once. I'm telling you guys, it's a big mistake. I've learned my lesson. So I'm just using these hair dyes from Adore. You guys, I was going for a nice kind of pink color, but this is what I got anyway. It is what it is. I was mixing the hair dyes with the 30% developer, and so this is what I was kind of looking for. I was looking for like a hot pink or something like that, but I don't know what went wrong. The color did not turn out the way I wanted it to be. It went different directions, but anyhow, we'll keep trying. I'll never give up. I'll keep trying. So I'm just gonna make sure that all the bundles are well saturated with the hair dye, and I'm gonna put them in a freezer bag, you know, those ones which have a zip on. So yeah. So this is what the hair looks like after I finished it. It's been dry and I blow dried it. That's why you see it's not curly anymore. The curls are gone, hunty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my heat protectant, Tresemme, and I'm gonna start flat ironing the hair. And I'm telling you guys, this hair did not lose its quality. It's still looking very quality and it is super thick. So this is what the hair looks like after I finish flat ironing it. It looks absolutely amazing. And I'm just gonna go in, you guys, with my my husband's clippers, and this is exactly what I'm doing. Okay, it's self-explanatory. I was trying the wig on, you know, just to make sure that the length is what I was going for. So don't just go in and cut your bob, because you need to know what you're doing. You need to put it on your head and see, you know, what's going on. Like you see right here, it is gone definitely shorter. Okay, and yeah, so this is really all that I did, and I kind of like this nice kind of orangey. It looks like a rose gold after all, but yeah, I was actually going for a pink, like the top I'm wearing. That's what I was going for, but yeah, it all went wrong. But yeah, so this is the finished unit, you guys, and I was just like, okay, I just have to rock this since I dyed it. Just gonna start by separating my hair, and I'm gonna use my ripping mousse by Cream of Nature for mousse, and just to get rid of some flyaways. And I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, use my foundation just to give a little bit of a brown color to the lace, because it was all kind of pink, red, or whatever was going on here. And yes, I did run the fly iron just to, you know, make sure that my hair is looking nice and fly. And I also did my baby hairs, you guys. You know how it is. I needed to cover that lace, y'all. Okay, yeah, so this is exactly what I'm doing right here. And I did spray my hairspray just to make sure that the hair is looking nice and flat. I also use my curling wand just to straighten up the hair or any areas that I wanted to lay down nice and flat. So this is exactly what I'm doing, because like I think some of the hair didn't look as straight as it should be, but yeah, so this is exactly what I am doing. Okay, touch it.
They're not hot.
So yeah guys, that was baby Kai. You guys know that I think you've seen him in most of my videos. Like, he's the only one who's constantly checking on me. Like, seriously, this is the finished look, you guys. This hair is amazing. I feel like it could be a nice hairstyle like for the festival or summertime when you just want to look all nice and bright. But yeah, let me know what you think, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also comment, rate, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.